A public interest litigation has been filed seeking access of the coronavirus vaccine to people of all above 18 years of age. Now, it has been said in the petition that cases of coronavirus in the country are constantly rising, and in such a situation, the vaccine should be given to people above the age of 18, essentially asking for the bar of age that has been put by the central government to be lifted and the scope of the vaccination to be widened. Now, do remember that this is not the only PIL that's been filed in the Supreme Court. We've had another one filed by Tehseen Poonawalla 3 days ago, I think. Let me go across to Rhythm Anand Bhardwaj, who joins me on the phone line. Good morning, Rhythm. Rhythm, another PIL being filed in the Supreme Court today. Give us more details, please.
Very good morning, Nupur. It's a PIL that's been filed seeking access to COVID vaccine to all people above 18 years of age. It says in the petition the cases of corona in the country are constantly increasing and therefore the vaccine should be applied to people of all ages. It's been filed coming up on Monday, and it's also saying that cases of corona, because they are rising, therefore vaccine for all above 18. Because this is a part of lawyers across the country trying their best to ensure that that vaccines reach everyone. And there is also a suo motu action being taken by courts across the country trying to ensure that this happens. Yesterday we saw in the Gujarat High Court a suo motu case coming up before them, and then the government informed the court about the actions they have taken. In Karnataka yesterday in the High Court, when a COVID case came up, it was clearly told that offences are being done even by celebrities and therefore masks should be worn. Finally, in the Supreme Court now, vaccines for all as a PIL is going to be taken up on Monday.
Now, Rhythm, this, of course, has been a demand that has been made by various groups in the country, because with the rising number of cases and, the age of people who actually go out to work, that's been a cause of concern for various people.
That Republic TV has started, where we say radical times call for radical measures. So it's time for vaccine for all above 18 years. It's something that several people are talking about. It's also the reason I think possibly the government of India has now come out with more emergency approvals for vaccines from US, from America, from Japan and from other places. So what we are seeing is emergency approval for vaccines being given. We're seeing an acceleration by a lot of people. We're also seeing states now asking for vaccines to be procured by them individually, independently from the center. All these moves are happening because a lot of people across the country panicking, believing the second wave is going to be worse than the first one. Republic TV has been very responsible in its coverage. We have been telling people, let's not panic. The part of the simple thing to do right now is to be safe. Like the High Courts have said, let's be in the house, let's be ensuring that masks are worn and ensuring the lockdown that is there in Mumbai, the weekend lockdown in Delhi, in other places in India is followed. As for the courts are doing their best to ensure, and Nupur, I just want to add to this, a lot of High Court judges, a lot of Supreme Court judges, staff also facing the COVID crisis are going to ensure that all precautions are taken.
All right, Rhythm, thank you very much for joining us this morning with those details. Well, the Government of India has now granted approval to Haffkine Institute in Mumbai to produce the Bharat Biotech's Covaxin on a transfer of technology basis. The Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray has thanked the Prime Minister for approving his request.